special preparations from your part?
For me, wala. I mean, same preparations na ginagawa ko every game, and I think siguro, since yung position ko kasi, hindi talaga siya for scoring. I mean, syempre kahit sino mong volleyball analyst dyan, or as in, yung mga lagi nanonood, maintindihan kung bakit iba-iba. Syempre, may position na pang score, may position na ganyan. And like you said, hindi man siya lagi pang score. So, I think nabigyan lang ako ng chance para maka-earn ng points last game.
So Mika, a lot of volleyball fans are looking forward to your game against Ateneo on Sunday. But today you're battling UE muna. So what is the mindset of the team coming into today's match?
Usually, same lang eh. Wala kaming special treatment. Maging UE, UP man yan, FEU man yan, or Ateneo man yan. Same preparations lang ginagawa namin palagi. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung school na tumalo sa inyo last season. Like, especially finals pa yon. So, siguro, same preparation, same mindset, pero ngayon, mas masasabi kong mas eager kaming manalo talaga this coming Sunday.
Thank you, Mika, and good luck sa game ninyo.
Thank you.
Back to you guys.